Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Yamaha XSR 900, a motorcycle that perfectly blends retro aesthetics with modern performance. Yamaha has truly stepped up, delivering a bike that stands out in the neo-retro category. Starting with the design, the XSR 900 captures a vintage vibe with its round LED headlight, minimalist body work, and classic color schemes. Yet, beneath the surface, this bike is anything but old school. Powered by a 889cc CP3 engine, this three-cylinder motor delivers an impressive balance of power and torque, making it perfect for both city cruising and spirited rides on twisty roads. Yamaha has refined the engine for smoother performance and compliance with emissions standards without compromising its punchy character. The lightweight aluminum frame enhances agility and handling, making the XSR 900 feel incredibly responsive. The tech on the 2025 model is impressive. You get a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity, riding modes, and advanced rider aids like traction control, cornering ABS, and quick shifter capabilities. Yamaha's focus on safety and rider confidence shines through. The adjustable suspension system provides versatility, ensuring comfort on long rides and stability during aggressive cornering. Ergonomics are another highlight. The bike's upright riding position, combined with a comfortable seat, ensures hours of enjoyable riding without fatigue. With a tank capacity of around 14 liters, it's practical for longer journeys as well. Yamaha has also added subtle customization options, allowing riders to make the XSR 900 uniquely theirs. Whether you're an experienced rider looking for performance, or a new enthusiast drawn to the retro charm, the 2025 Yamaha XSR 900 delivers on all fronts. It's a bike that celebrates the past while embracing the future. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and whether the XSR 900 fits your style. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle content. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.